the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through.
Welcome to Gilbert Gardens, Canadian homesteading. Just kidding. Welcome to Gilbert Gardens though, seriously. This is a Canadian homesteading vlog based out of Niagara Falls. And today we are bucking up some wood and really putting the new log splitter to work. I ran it for, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes a few weeks ago after I built it. But today will be the first big day that we put a few rounds through her. So if you're into that kind of stuff, stick around guys and enjoy. Today we are just going to be pecking away at the board pretty much here. I don't know if you guys have been watching or not, but the old jaw board is busting at the seams. I don't have much time today. Got no time for medium or large jobs. I'm just going to work on some small jobs. Pretty much, I think I'm going to work on getting the some wood bucked up. If you remember from the previous vlog, we moved the wood processing area around a little bit, and I've got a whole pile of wood that I need to get chopped up, 16-inch pieces so that I can split it. So why don't we go ahead and do that. Other than that, basically I'm just going to be pecking around here. I've got some stuff to do on the bikes. Got the 08 Ninja 650 up for sale. A couple little things have to get fixed up on that before it gets sold. And I got the 02 Gixxer 1000 that has a whole pile of issues. So let's get our stuff on and grab the tools and we'll get after it.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through.
Alright, well, just like every single time, not super hot out, it's either pissing rain. It just started raining, of course. So I'm gonna try and pump out a vlog here anyways. This camera's not waterproof, but we'll try our best here. Alright, well, in case you forgot, I got all this wood to chop up. Definitely a keep busy project. I'm not going to get it all chopped up today, obviously. I mean, this is pretty insane, but idea is to kind of get this stuff here bucked up a little bit into manageable pieces where I can get them up on the table, and then use my Frankenstein looking log splitter. May have had a pop or two. Start chopping wood up, get it loaded up in the quad trailer there, and then we'll get her stacked over there, which I'm kind of running out of room actually. Speaking of wood racks, if you guys have a design, if any of you guys watching do your own wood processing, if you have a kind of do-it-yourself design, I'd love to see it. Ours are pretty basic. They're just skids with 2x4s all, oh here comes the rain, all screwed together. I'm kind of looking for something a little more permanent, like with some plastic skids and something you can almost bolt together, and a little more sturdy, you know what I mean, but still lightweight because we're lifting with a tractor. So if you have any ideas, post them below. Alright, well, I'm happy I put the camera away because like monsoon showers just came down, like massive. It said less than 1 millimeter, but like have a look. You tell me that's less than 1 millimeter? Jesus. Like, anyways, I was right in the middle of splitting a bunch of wood and I just said screw it, stayed out. Kind of wish I didn't, like I'm completely drenched. But that's how it happens, you know. You only got a small window to get some stuff done. Can't let a bit of rain hold you up, eh? So I think it's clear now. We'll get set up and we'll try working the pile back.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, 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 won't you let the light shine through?
You know, it's pretty peaceful out here, just birds chirping. Got the odd truck going by now. But if you're thinking about buying a property out in the rural, you know, there's tons of work involved, but it is nice at the end of the day. You know, I look at wood processing kind of like chess, and I'm sure a lot of you guys do too. You know, it's all about getting to the end result with the least amount of moves, right? So, first move is getting a trailer and driving out to the site. Hopefully the arborists have got it already bucked up for you, like in manageable pieces. You have to physically lift it on the trailer, that's one move, right? You come here, hopefully you got a dump trailer and you can dump it, that saves you a move. Then you've got to get it off the ground onto a table so you can split it, right? There's another lifting move. Then you got to throw it into a trailer, or hopefully you can stack your wood right where you're splitting it, which is kind of like my next phase of this, is to get, well, a bigger tractor, have the wood racks on the forks right here, split it, and then just be pretty much stacking it. As I split it, I'm stacking it, and then, you know, obviously the last move is to get it from the rack to your stove, right? So there's a lot of moves, is my what I'm trying to boil it all down to here, right? So, you know, if you got big rounds, you can obviously get a mobile wood splitter that goes horizontally, or sorry, vertically, and then you can just roll the rounds on. You don't have to lift them, right? There's another move saved pretty much, right? Especially when you got big rounds, like some of this maple, like, you know, you don't want to hurt yourself. Give yourself a hernia over some free wood, right? But you know, I just go easy. I take a little chunk out as I can. I think I'll split this up. I'll fill the trailer. It looks like that battery's done. It's pretty old. I don't know. I'll try and check the date, but it's spilling acid and all sorts of stuff. So I think it's time for a new battery for the old 20-year-old Kawasaki. So let's get this split up and loaded into the trailer, and we might just call her a little bit of a day.
But it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for
Go, go, go! Woo!
Woohoo!
Need a break. Man, you want to talk about a gnarly piece of wood. Like this maple. Woo-hoo, look at that. You know, for a homemade log splitter, she ain't too bad. I mean, it doesn't slice right through it, but I mean, if it can split that, it can pretty much split anything.